So for this one, find the approximate value of the following by using differential. So for number one, square root of 626. So we are trying to find the approximate value using differential. So for this one, first step is we'll let square root of 626 be equal to y plus dy. And also we'll let 626 is equals to x plus dx. So the unknown value is y dy, and for x, so x is, what is the value of x here is x is the value of x is the nearest perfect so we have nearest perfect square number of 626. So what is the nearest perfect square number of 626? So by using calculator, we have the value of x must be 625, because if we try to square root of 625, the answer will be 25. So this is the value of x, 625. So for dx, so at x is equals to 625, so dx is equals to 626 minus x from this formula. So dx is equals to 626 minus 625, so dx is equals to 1. So we are check for x for dx, right? So to find the values of y and dy, so we'll let y is equals to, so what is the exponent of square root of 626? So square root, so we'll let square root of x, right? Because the exponent is it is raised to power of 1/2 or square root, right? So after that one, we'll differentiate both sides. So we have dy equals to 1/2 times x. So 1/2 minus 1 equals negative 1/2. So derivative inside is dx. So why dx, not dy? So not 1, right? Not 1. Because we are differentiating with respect to x, right? Not with the variable itself, right? So it is differential. So we have dy is equals to dx all over 2 square root of x, right? We'll just bring down the x raised to negative 1/2. So but the value of dx is equals to 1, and x is equals to this one, and this one. So 625. So we have dy is equals to 1 all over 2 square root of 625. So by using calculator, we have for this one 1 all over 50. So at dy is equals to 1 over 50, and y is equals to, what is y? Square root of x. So y is equals to square root of x, or y is equals to 25, right? Because y is equals, so y is equals to square root of 625 or 25. So we are now ready to find this one, this equation. So we have square root of 626 is equals to y plus dy. So we have square root of 626 is equals to y is equals to 1 over 50 plus, so sorry, it is 25 plus dy equals to 1 over 50. So the final answer will be like this. So by using calculator, we have 25.02. So this is now our final answer. 25.02. So let's check if our answer is correct. So answer is 25.02. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.